close, baby. It's Ania's first plane. She's 6 years old and she did her first plane, and it spins and everything. And there's wheels. Let's see the wheels. Yeah, right there. Okay, make it roll on the floor, Nia. On the floor. No, on the floor. Yeah.
I can't see.
Okay, let go. Woo. Dion's making the train for Devin. We got a Lego train set for Devin today. Are you happy? Are you happy? What did you get today?
Choo-choo.
A choo-choo. Your brother is helping you assemble it, huh? You have a nice brother. And Naya's writing a letter in Chinese. Naya, let's see your letter. Okay, just show me the paper. Okay, stop. Stop. Very good. Good job. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous. Like my daughter.
Like my sister.
Yeah, like your sister.
See, choo-choo.
Mm-hmm.
Airplane.
Dion got a lot done. Let's see how much he got done. Look how far.
No, please don't do that.
Look at that train. Good job, son.
Thanks.
You're welcome.